Oh, hey there. So, maybe your sink doesn't drain, and you're like, oh, should I call a plumber? What should I do? Well, you could, okay, and you could spend a lot of money, but it's very simple to fix. Most of the time, it's just down here in the P-trap, okay? So, here's how a P-trap works. Um, if you have sewer gas, okay, then the sewer gas will come up and stink your house up. But there's water that stays in this P-trap here, and then that makes it harder for the sewer gas to go up. Now, it would still come up eventually, but there's a vent that goes out through the roof. But nevertheless, this is usually where a bunch of yuck gets caught up in here, hair and yuck and things like that. So you want to take something and put underneath it like this, and it's very simple. You just loosen these by hand, okay? You can see what I'm doing here. This stuff is called thin wall. We're gonna loosen this, and then the water's gonna start coming out, so we gotta watch out for that. Take a look, see it? There's the water coming out. Perfectly normal. It doesn't smell good. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you that. Okay, so now it's loose. We're gonna take this off, and then you can see all the yucky that's coming out of there, which is actually not as bad as it could be, but. And then put it back together, which is pretty simple, and tighten it up, and then you should be good to go. So I hope you learned something.